In this video, we're going to go over step by step in detail on how I made over $3,000 a day trading my entry model that I trade every single morning. There's not going to be any edits, no fancy cuts, just straight value. In this video, I'm not only going to show you my entry model and how it works, but I'm going to show you how I manage the position, how I managed when I was in the green, how I manage my stop loss, so you can actually see in real time how I trade. We had over 550 people inside of our VIP live stream this morning. I could not be any more grateful. The team absolutely feasted. Maybe at the end of this video, I can show you some of the gains that our members had after this trade this morning. I do trade live every single morning at 9:30 a.m. Eastern inside of my VIP Discord. If you want a 7-day free trial to come watch and hang out, I'm very confident you'll love it. Link in the description below to get access. Let's go ahead and get into how I made over $3,000 today live trading NQ, trading the entry model. Let's get it. All right, so we are here in the replay mode, showing you step by step what we did. Now, I'm not going to be using our main indicator today. As you can see, the futures indicator will actually do most of the work for you when it comes to marking your levels. But for now, we're going to just start and do this without any indicators. So every morning, you guys all know we do the same exact thing, doing it for years. We mark our first 15-minute candle high and our first 15-minute candle low here on NQ. Once we mark that first 15-minute candle high and low, and by the way, that's going to be your 9:30 a.m. candle, and you're going to mark both the wicks on each side, not the body. Once you have that marked, we have to decide, what are we looking for? Are we looking for any type of upside move or downside move? And so we're going to go and look at our wave tool. If you're not familiar with the wave, it basically just calculates the net call and put flow in the S&P 500 stocks. And we can see that call flow has been going up all day, which tells me that market makers, or smart money, or the whales, whatever you want to call them, are consistently buying calls today, which means they're probably looking for higher. Now, is the wave tool 100% perfect every day? No. There are definitely days where we see call flow like this and the market goes down, and vice versa. There's some days where it's the opposite of this and the market goes up. But with our entry model, I have seen a consistent high win rate when the wave tool and our technical strategy with the entry model align. So right now, our bias is bullish. We have a direction we want to trade, and we're only looking for an upside position. Even if we get a quote-unquote A+ technical setup for downside, I'm not going to take the trade because wave is bullish. I do not go against the wave. That is my number one rule. Let's go ahead and move this over. So right now, with my entry model, if you're new here, you know that I'm looking, or that you know that I don't, you don't know exactly what I'm going to trade. But if you're not new here, you know that I'm looking for one or two things. I'm either looking for price to sweep the opening range low and get back into the opening range to see higher, right? Or I'm waiting for price to close above the opening range high up here on the 15-minute time frame. Now, you've probably seen a lot of other traders on the 15-minute orb do this exact thing. They wait for the 15-minute breakout, they take the retest of the opening range, and then they get in longs for higher. Now, I'm not saying that can't work, but when I combine that with my wave tool, I can know if that 15-minute breakout is going to actually be a breakout or if it's going to end up being a faked out move. Now, let's look what the next candle does on NQ. We can see we get a clear long bias. We get a 15-minute close above the opening range. So right now, let's just go back to square one. We've marked our 15-minute candle high and low. Box is checked. We have waited for a 15-minute candle to close above or below our opening range. That box is checked. Then we're going to go to our wave tool and see, are we bullish or bearish? In this example, we are extremely bullish. That box is checked. The only box we need to check now is to go to a lower time frame and wait for price to come back into our opening range and retest to see higher. So what we're going to do is we're going to wait patiently for price to get back in. We did tap in here. You could have longed it off that level, but that would have been kind of it was just really fast, happened really, really fast. So I waited for one more push back in. Next candle. Next candle. Next candle, and boom, there's our entry. So we entered on that pullback, and this is where it gets a little tricky. Some of you might say, Champ, this stop loss down here is way too wide. I can't risk, what is that, 200 points? And I agree, you definitely can't. So what you're going to do is you're going to look for multiple potential entries. I'm going to put my stop loss here at the 25% retracement, which just means it's 25% into the range. And my take profit one is going to be the high of the day. And then it is going to be those Asia highs, which is going to be up here at 699.25. So we have everything in place. We have our entry, we have our stop loss, and our take profit. Now, before I press play and see the trade beautifully play out, let's talk about it. What would have happened if we lost? Let's say that we would have lose here and we would not have won this trade. And we would have lost, let's say, $200. Okay, we'd have lost $200. I sized correctly and was patient enough to say, hey, if we take a loss right here on this trade, I'm only going to lose 200. And if price decides to get back into the opening range, let's say here, I will look for a new entry at a better price with a much better risk to reward. I mean, look at this. Look at this R. Absolutely beautiful, right? Can't complain. So either way, I'm okay with taking this loss. I'll just re-enter on the control point. The invalidation level is going to be the opening range low down here. But since I am not able to hold that long because I don't want to lose $1 million on this trade, I'm going to have a tight stop on the first trade and look for a re-entry if we have to take a second. Okay? Should be plain and simple. Let's go ahead and press play and see what happens. Price target 1 gets hit. Stop loss is getting moved to break even here. This is a risk-free trade. Impossible to lose. Take profit is still going to be at about 162 points. And there we go. Full TP hit. Absolutely beautiful and A+. Let's do a little larger recap here. Okay, I'll make it really simple. We marked our 15-minute candle high and our 15-minute candle low. That's going to be your 15-minute opening range, your 15-minute OR. That's what this is. Once you've marked that, you got to decide, okay, are we bullish or bearish? Well, according to Wave, we are bullish. Call flow is skyrocketing. And then we're going to go and wait for a 15-minute time frame to close above the opening range, which is what we got here. And we simply take the retest and look for higher. It is that simple, chat. Does it work every day? No. I've had losing days. I've had winning days. We can take a look at my Journaly calendar from last month. You can see we made $54K trading this entry model. Only 2 red days for the entire month. Month before that, you can see, if it can load, we'll see. June, 20,000 on the month, 5 losing days. And then what's the month before June? I can't think. May. Let's see what May looked like. 41,000 on the month with only 3 red days. So I can't complain at all. Truly blessed. God is good. I can't believe this entry model has done so well in the last few years, continuously, seeing higher and higher returns. If we go ahead and take a look at the Discord, I wanted to show you all the Discord channel as well. We can see that this is just some of the gains. So my boy Rich over here made 11K today. Mr. Perfect Entry made $729. Agent 707 made $455. Potato made $2,900. RW 629. Marlo made $59. Hey, better than zero. A lot of good things happening in here, as you can see. The team is making a ton of money, and it's not them just signaling and copy trading and trying to follow every entry and exit. It's them learning the entry models step by step so they can have a long-term income. In 10 to 15 years, when they're still trying to make money trading, they're going to have that extra income because they decided to lock in and learn the entry models step by step instead of being a signal bot. And that's just how it is. Again, thank you guys for being here. If you want to join the VIP Discord where I do live trade every morning, I took this trade that I'm showing you right here live on stream. I trade live every morning at 9:30 a.m. Eastern inside of that VIP Discord. I usually trade about an hour to 2 hours every morning, Monday through Friday. A little more updates on me. I not only trade at 9:30 a.m. Eastern, but I also trade during Power Hour at 3 p.m. Eastern every day for free on TikTok. And I also trade live every night, Sunday through Thursday, at about 8 p.m. Eastern for free on TikTok as well. They're in the Discord too, but TikTok gets the free live on those times. But New York session trades, VIP gets access only. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Don't forget to use code CHAMP on all your favorite prop firms. Use propchamps.net in the description below to compare all these different prop firms to see what your favorites are and what matches your trading strategy the best. And don't forget, again, to join the VIP Discord, link in the bio, for a 7-day free trial to watch me live trade every single day. I'll see you guys later. Love y'all a long time. Y'all have a good rest of your day. Feel free to leave any comments below with any questions. And don't forget to leave a like. See y'all later, family.